Hi everyone. Good morning and welcome. And thank you for joining today's Excel session. My name is Soni Joshi, and I am excited to guide you through the basic of using Excel, a powerful tool that can enhance your productivity and efficiency in your legal practice. So, uh, so before we dive into the session, I would love to know about a little of each of you. Please take a moment to introduce yourself. You can share your name, your role in the organization, and what you are hoping to learn from this session. So let's go one by one. So please on your cameras. I'll start with Kinjal Srivastava.
Yeah, hi Sony, how are you doing?
Please on your camera.
Sony, I'm not in a position to on my camera because we just had a meeting right
Okay,
away.
okay, no
So,
issue. ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है.
yes.
Okay, ठीक है. What is your role and where are you from?
Yeah, वैसे I am from Jhansi, but I am working with this company from last 1 year as a legal advisor in this company.
Okay,
My role is for drafting, appearing before courts,
okay,
most of the legal work. Yes.
okay, ठीक है.
So from this session, since this is a tax organization, we deal with tax. So a lot of the times we get Excel
Hmm,
things which are, almost going up our head. We don't understand how to do it. And our
okay.
CAs will do it fat fat. So we are thinking that we'll also learn some tricks and from
Hmm.
you to, how to
Okay.
learn Excel and help us in our work. So that is
Hmm.
what I'm thinking for.
Okay. Your name was Kinjal. Okay. ठीक है.
Yeah, my name is Kinshuk.
Okay. So next one is Raghav Singhal.
Hello, Sodhi.
हाँ, hello.
Yeah, yeah. My role in this company is I'm a legal advisor. And
Okay.
what Miss Kinjal said that yeah, we all are struggling with Excel
Hmm.
as this is a tax law firm. So we need
Hmm.
some basic idea that how to manage
Hmm.
things, how to you know all the
Okay.
formulas and all the things. So this is the main concerns.
You are not also able to on your camera.
Yeah, we are all in the
Okay.
same place.
Okay. Next is Shobhik. Mr. Shobhik.
Yes.
Yes,
Um,
please.
I'm an advocate and a senior consultant.
Okay.
I have some understanding of Excel, but I
Hmm.
hope to gain even better with this session.
Okay. Yes, of course. Okay, so
Thank you.
most welcome. Next is Devansh.
Hello,
Hello.
I'm Devansh. I've been a part of this organization since last month. Like I joined very recently,
Okay.
so I'm still trying to learn and adapt myself to the workings of Excel. So I hope
Okay.
to learn more today.
Okay. So your role?
I'm a legal associate here.
Okay, legal associate. ठीक है. Okay, so next is Shobhik done. Sachin.
हेलो मैम। मैम
Sachin.
मैम एक्चुअली मैं न्यू हूँ। राखी तिवारी नाम है मेरा। सचिन मुझसे
Okay.
पहले थे तो उन्हीं के नाम से ये शायद आ रहा होगा।
हाँ जी चलिए ठीक है.
तो
ओके,
मैम
योर रोल.
मैं अकाउंटिंग का काम देखती हूँ
ओके,
और
ठीक
आई
है.
एम फ्रॉम देहरादून।
ओ,
तो
ओके.
मेरे मेरे लिए तो एक्सेल बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है।
सभी के लिए बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. ओके, चलिए. सब हो चुके. और कोई बचा है? किंजल, राघव सिंघल, शौभिक और दिवांश, सचिन. 5.
Manali is also there. All of us have joined.
Manal, but I'm not showing your name. I'm not
No, no,
able to see your
I think
name.
it is here, Manali Joshi. I don't know why you are not. No, not my
Mm,
name. Like one,
okay.
one you were asking now, only these much have joined. Everybody is joined now.
ओके, मनाली. ओके, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा एक्चुअली. मुझे सिर्फ 6 पार्टिसिपेंट्स ही दिख रहे हैं. चलिए ठीक है, आप भी बताइए. मनाली, आपका रोल?
Uh, I'm legal advisor in the
ओके
company.
ओके
Uh,
एंड कहाँ से आप ले रहे हैं क्लासेस?
Delhi.
दिल्ली, ओके ठीक है. इज देयर एनीबडी एल्स? एक और आई थिंक बचे हैं. कौन बचे हैं? ऑल डन. 7 पार्टिसिपेंट्स हो गए. एक इस अब कौन बचा?
So Tanya had an emergency, like at the very
ओके
last moment. Her
अच्छा
uncle is no more, so she won't be
ओके
joining.
ओके चलिए
So
कोई
we can
दिक्कत नहीं है.
proceed
ठीक
then
है.
with the training part
ओके
now.
चलिए ठीक है. ओके तो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर. सो मुझे मेरी स्क्रीन आप सभी को शो हो रही है? हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
Yeah, it's
ठीक है.
visible.
Okay, okay, ठीक है. So today we will cover a variety of topics from understanding what a spreadsheet is to using basic formulas and formattings techniques. So my goal is to help you feel more comfortable with Excel so that you can utilize it effectively in your day-to-day task. As a legal professionals, you often deal with data, whether it is tracking case information, managing client records, or calculating financials. Excel can be streamlined these process, helping you stay organized and make informed decisions, right? So by the end of this session, you will have the foundational skills to using Excel in your work. So we will begin with the basics such as navigating and interface and entering data. Then we will cover explore. Then we will explore formatting options to make your spreadsheet visually appealing and easy to read. After that, we will cover essential functions and formulas that can help you with the formulas that can help you with calculations. And at the end, we will have a question answer session. So feel free to note down any question if you have throughout the presentation. Okay. So I encourage you to all engage and ask questions as we go along. This is meant to be an interactive session and I want to ensure you get most out of it. So without further ado, let's get started with our first topic.